Good morning, hello everyone, and warm welcome to Candelaria Resort, a hidden gem nestled in the beautiful landscape of Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija. My name is Michelle, and I'll be your tour guide for today's tour. Get ready to experience the charm and tranquility of this wonderful resort. Candelaria Resort offers a delightful escape from the bustling city of life. Candelaria Resort is located at Barangay Ringaya, Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija, beside Senior Francisco Restaurant and Mini. As you can see, we're surrounded by natural beauty, lush greenery, stunning view. The resort itself is designed to provide relaxing and enjoyable experience of all visitors. Let's start with the sparkling swimming pool, perfect for a refreshing dip on hot day. The pool, with a unique design, a shape like a boat making it fun and eye-catching feature of the backyard. Next, we have the charming traditional cottage, beautiful example of local architecture. The cottages are onion-shaped and cost 500 pesos, good for 7 people. This is a fantastic spot to relax and soak in the atmosphere. The resort also offers clean, bright, and comfortably furnished room ideal for overnight stay. Each room features a double-decker bed and private bathroom, accommodating to 3 guests in a cozy, inviting space for only 1,500 pesos. The resort also providing catering service, making it an ideal location for special events such as birthdays, weddings, or corporate gatherings. And those who enjoy singing, we have videoke available for rental. Finally, we have a grill areas for barbecues, perfect for a fun-filled day with family and friends.
I hope you enjoyed this tour of Candelaria Resort. We explored the main amenities and activities available here. And I encourage you to explore further and create your own unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us today, and mabuhay!